Where are the men that are gonna open the car door?
Come get me. I'm tired of this. I'm here waiting.
Attention single ladies, if you're looking for that single working man, you need to be at the Home Depot at 7 a.m.
Forget dating, I'm over it. I'm gonna go to Home Depot and look lost to find the right guy.
Time to look lost and find a man.
Where are the men? What happened?
All the good men got played, so now all they do.
Here's all the reasons why we don't need men in society anymore.
Today's dating world is dead. You have discarded the good men.
What are we doing in Home Depot? We are husband hunting in Home Depot. Somebody tell us what aisle to go to.
A lot of women are asking, where are all the good men? Where are all the good men? Well, you're not sitting there asking what you've done to destroy the good in them. That maybe you've destroyed everything good in them because you've decided to weaponize their vulnerabilities. And now they don't want to do that anymore. They only want to show their fake strengths, and if they even have them. And if not, like you see them as weak. It's really a shame.
Me as a guy growing up, I'm sorry, but I have lost hope in marriage. God forgive me. I went and got a beautiful, younger traditional wife from Pitacuesta, Colombia. She is beautiful and a great wife. I was destroyed by one, but I decided to go forward by going to the gym. Today, I am a proud trainer. Even if the good men approaches them, they ignore us because they think we are not their type. Rather, they give their hearts to the wrong ones. This woman is not wrong. There is a problem if we voice our concerns, and there is still a problem if we keep quiet. The good that the good men formerly possessed has vanished. Those guys have made numerous attempts but have failed. They're fed up with being exploited and used. These games are now over.
I believe a man can love a woman unconditionally, but I don't think a woman can love a man unconditionally.
What? Really?
Yeah.
I beg to differ. I think it's the other way around.
No.
I think a woman can love a man unconditionally.
Mm-hmm.
And
not
most men...
Not forever.
You don't think so?
No.
Damn.
No. I think when a man loves a woman for real, like, he'll love her forever.
Where are the men that actually care about emotional connection? Like, where are the men that actually want to build something with their person? Like, where? Where are they? Because I don't understand. It's just like, that's long gone. Emotional, spiritual, and mental connection is completely fucking gone, apparently. And all they really care about is physical attraction and gaining physical attention. So I don't know what kind of world we're living in, but honestly, if someone is not willing to connect on a mental, spiritual level, like, it's just not happening. I'm sorry. Apparently, that's being unrealistic nowadays. Apparently.
Recovering from the last woman that was looking for a nice guy. Not worth it anymore. They divorce you and take 50% of what we worked for. Tired of putting effort into people that discard them before emotional connection can happen. The gym or at work. We get placed in the friend zone and also get put in the no contact zone. Those men have given up and gone their separate ways, saying enough is enough. Those men have attempted to build numerous times in their lives, with the same final outcomes each time. Is there any purpose in trying again, if everything that they are attempting to construct ends up falling apart?
Come get me. I'm tired of this shit. Okay? Okay. I'm here waiting. So, anytime now, hubby. I'll be here. So you could handle this because I fucking hate it.
I guess the strong, independent lifestyle isn't working now. She needs a man to come be a hero and support her lifestyle. I'm pretty sure lots of men hate it also, but it's called suffering in silence and keep pushing forward.
Attention single ladies, if you're looking for that single working man, you need to be at the Home Depot at 7 a.m.
This is the length that they're willing to go and find a husband, and they keep yelling that men aren't the prize.
Listen, I got a question. Where are the men at? Where are the men that are gonna open the car door? where are the men at that are going to provide and protect? Like, women have ruined this for us because, listen, I am old-fashioned, okay? I will cook, I will clean, okay? And I do both real well, okay? All I ask for in return is honesty, respect, and loyalty. Okay, I don't care if you have a Patek Philippe, okay? I don't care if you have the new Yeezys, okay? Like, I just want something normal. I'm not even ready for that, but when I am ready for that, where do I find y'all? Christian Mingle? Kristen. Sprouts, Whole Foods, Farmer Market.
She talks about, when I get ready, having a child. How more ridiculous can it get? You should have been ready before starting a family. If he was excellent enough to have a baby with, you should have kept the man you handed your womb to. Why wasn't he good enough to marry you? These days, guys do not want to be stepfathers because they do not want to deal with the drama that comes along with it. The life of peace and quiet is preferred.
Let me get this straight. There's actually women in the world that will deny the biological father of her children access to the children, claiming that he's dangerous, he's unfit, he's unwell, he doesn't know how to take care of them, whatever the reasons that she comes up with, but then she's going to turn around and have multiple strangers and different dudes around her kids and still consider that safe? That is the most selfish and trashy thing I've ever heard of in my entire life. But not only will these women deny the biological father access to the children while having multiple dudes around, when the children actually bring it up to the mother that they're uncomfortable, she's actually going to put the boyfriend's needs above her children. And the other messed up part about it is if the biological dad wants to fight or have any say in it, he's going to have to spend thousands of dollars in court trying to prove his case. Meanwhile, all of this is happening and there's nothing that he can do about it. And let's be honest, the real reason that women pull this kind of shit is because they cannot fathom the idea of their ex-partner not wanting anything to do with them outside of the children. These are the types of women that want wife treatment as an ex-wife. And I don't know about you, but who the fuck is gonna treat their ex the exact same way that they did when they were in a relationship as an ex? Make that make sense. The fact that women can actually deny the father of their children access to the children and then have multiple dudes around their children and consider that better judgment is just crazy to me. Okay, bye.
Unfortunately, you will see this a lot, especially when the father ends up getting another woman back in their life. Lost my daughter 40 years ago when her mother, my girl, took off with another guy. And my daughter again, you're so right. My ex tried to get me to do home car repairs for her when dropping off the kids one time, told her it wasn't my job anymore, and left. Yep, I begged and begged to see my daughter, and she won't let me, nor will she talk to me about her. It is because they failed to see the other side of that woman that some of these men are going through an experience like this. Having a child with a woman is a choice that carries a great deal of weight. If you don't feel comfortable with the woman you're about to have a child with, your life is going to be a living hell.
If companies can pay women less, why don't they hire all women?
Well, that's a whole nother story.
Really?
I understand your argument, and I understand that you're angry.
I'm not angry.
I can hear it in your voice.
I'm not
Listen to
angry.
your voice.
I'm hearing my voice and I sound pretty calm.
You have now shifted the quality of your voice, and I thank you for that.
Okay.
And you've just given me a condescending look, and that's another reason why we need feminism. And now I'm done, and thank you so much.
She doesn't know what she's talking about. There's no reason for her to fight. That's why she had to blame someone else and then run away. The woman has still not answered, and we are still waiting for her.